Hey guys, Russ and Walker here from Wilson Land and Cattle Company. What we're doing today is we're changing a wheel bearing in a 2018 or 2017, I'm not sure which one it is, Subaru Forester. So what we're doing is we're changing the wheel bearing in this Subaru Forester. Do you want to show them how we know how the wheel bearing's bad? Yeah, you can see that's not supposed to happen. And whenever you drive down the road, we get a really heavy grinding sound. And this here is probably a little bit further gone than I'd like to see it. There is a chance that something could have happened there. Could have really destroyed something. I went to YouTube University and I looked this up, and to be quite frank with you, it's kind of got me a little bit scared on getting this wheel bearing out today. The one guy says leave a whole day for this process. Well, it shouldn't take a whole day. And they say it could take all day for professional mechanics. So we're going to see exactly how hard this really is. But here's the new wheel bearing we're going to put in. They're not really that expensive. I think it was like $90 for two of these. Will they last as long as the other ones? I don't know. There's only 80,000 miles on that wheel bearing and it went out. So we'll see exactly what happens. But let's go ahead and walk through the process here. I did buy some specialty tools, and we're also going to have to make a specialty tool as well. These tools here for popping the axle out of the hub, or the axle out of the. And if any of you guys have any constructive criticism on my brake changing video, we had a lot of good constructive criticism helping us backyard warriors, and it's very greatly appreciated, because I did make a lot of mistakes or unprofessional. I was unprofessional about changing, and I could have done a better job. So we purchased an axle puller, I believe that's what it's called. And that piece of junk fell apart on me already. And we need a 32mm socket to take the axle nut off. So you want to get the Ugga Dugga bud. Where'd you put it last? It's where'd I put it last? Yeah. It's here someplace. There's one. Huh. That's a small problem. What? That means we only have to do one.
Yeah, which is nice. That at least that's however long you have to do it in half.
And we'll put this back together. Let's see. Yeah, Grandpa put anti-seize on it. I already got all over myself. I think Grandpa did the brakes on this last.
I think so.
Yeah. You want to grab me a flat screwdriver, please?
Yeah.
Get that right off. Now, I've been told to hang this, but I'm just going to lay it up here on top of the A-frame. I think it's pretty safe up there. So we got lucky with the brake rotor.
Right, where do you want me to put this?
Wherever.
Just someplace out of the way?
Out of the way. Now, where's the big Ugga Dugga at?
Here, I moved it out of the way so I wouldn't put the wheel on it. Big socket.
Okay, this is 32mm. You don't have to take that stake out of there. It will come out whenever you take it off. just like that. Okay. Now the bearing itself is held in by 4 14mm bolts, so we'll go in and see about getting them out. We're gonna need I guess an extension on that. Oh no, maybe not. Okay, we got the 4 bolts out of the bearing. Now this speed sensor thing kind of has me scared a little bit. Everybody says how bad it is to get this out. So we're going to try and be very, very careful and not break it. Okay, just pulled the speed sensor out. That was actually a lot easier than I anticipated, so that's a good thing. So we don't need to worry about breaking that. Now, this is where it's going to get interesting. We're going to pop this axle out. Okay, the axle's free.
You got that out pretty quick.
Yeah. Okay. Now, I think our best bet's going to be, I forget what it's called, but you can buy a tool for $100 to do this, but I think we can just make one pretty simple. So. For a sledgehammer. We just took a piece of, here's actually just a piece of I-beam that I had cut out and I saved a scrap on. So I drilled 2 holes so it will go through these 2 lug nuts here, these bolts. I'm going to put nuts on the back side because I don't want to destroy our lug nuts because I only have just a couple lug nuts. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get this on here. Walker's out trying to find a sledgehammer, so I'm kind of short on hands. Okay, guys, now everything about this is just feels wrong to me, but this here's kind of what was recommended. The fancy tool that you spend $100 for is basically this same apparatus. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a whirl and see what happens, because like I said, everything about this just feels wrong. Let me try and hold that up.
What do you mean?
Now hold back here. I think we got it.
I think it's loose now.
Woohoo! We got it! Haha!
There's the
Okay, guys. That was a lot less work than I thought it was going to be. That was a lot less work.
What did you think we were going to need? An excavator?
Maybe. Okay, where's the 3/4 inch stuff at? Where's the ratchet?
2.
Oh, that's coming apart, I think. Yeah, see, this is supposed to drive out of there. This here's stuck. Okay, there it is, guys. Got it out.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Good.
So, it really wasn't as bad as they say. If you have the right tools and the right hammers and all that crap, it isn't that difficult. What we're gonna do this time is we're gonna anti-seize.
This?
Yeah. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna anti-seize this with the hopes that we can get it back off whenever this wheel bearing goes, because I'd say this car is going to be around for a while yet. So we're just putting a little anti-seize on it. The silver goop
that gets everywhere, even if you don't touch it.
Yeah, the silver goop gets everywhere. So we're going to put this. Pretty good. You want to hold this spot. Well, I guess. Where's the putty knife? So, I'm going to clean this up. Supposedly this has something to deal with aligning. And right there is a kind of a little oopsie on there. You want to grab me a flat file over there, bud. So we got to straighten that up.
Flat file.
Should be 2 of them right there. One with the blue handle, and then
the blue handle is a round file.
There's a blue handled flat file there too, but that's fine. Give me that one. We kind of boogered it up a little bit right there, which is no big deal. Fixed. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take and put a little bit of this in here.
Don't forget to get some of it all over yourself.
Yeah, really. Put some, I think, yeah, we're gonna put some on here too. That way, in the future, for the next guy.
Scout, how did you get in here? Come on, Scout.
He's fine. He's fine.
Are you sure he won't be turned silver colored?
No, he's fine. Give me the roller seat. My legs are killing me.
Oh, we moved it over here. Here we go. It's right behind you.
put NICs on the axle as well. We bought an axle puller.
Make it easier.
NICs on it too.
Quiet down. What do you want me to throw for you? I don't. What do you want me to throw for you? I don't have anything. You want out. What do you want?
We'll start this side here first. Yes. That's good. The whole freaking thing. Just on the threads, buddy. A little excessive.
Sorry. This stuff gets everywhere, you know.
Where's the extension?
We're using the Ugga Dugga.
No, we can't use it. Come on.
No, you were using it, so he can't. Alright.
Let's go. Okay, let's finish this video. Okay guys, basically we're just doing everything in reverse from taking it apart. I just want to demonstrate there that you didn't have to beat on that thing all day long in order to get it to pop free. So until next time, please subscribe, like, comment, share with a friend, hit that notification bell. We will have some grazing videos come out here pretty soon. We only fed hay for 47 days this year, which is our best, and the way the grass is looking this year, we might be able to get it all year long. I don't know. So anyhow, we'll talk to you later. Have a great day.
Bye.